Forever Paris, back at again with another video. And today I got a special guest,
Annalise.
Retail.
You didn't have to say that.
And tell them your YouTube.
My YouTube is we have one.
Yeah.
Paradia So Cool.
Well, I'll be in the description down below.
Well, the one I'm about to say is basically only me because I did a mistake on the username. Because it was supposed to be for me and this girl named Aliyah, so it's called Aliyah and Annalise.
Yeah. So for today, we are going to be making slime, as you can see in the title.
So what should we be making? White glue? White glue?
I want to make clear.
Me too. Just thinking about that. Alright.
But I'm just like I'm stuck because like I'm not sure if the borax is gonna work with
this one, right?
Yeah.
So you want?
Where's the borax?
I took it out.
Oh, okay.
Ew. It smells.
Okay.
It smells like some alcohol. Look.
Go. Got it.
You want me to mess up?
No.
You don't want to try?
I'm letting you add it, and then I'll add it next.
Look at this. You got spicy.
After we're done,
I'll do a little bit because I'm too lazy to be squeezing. I'm sorry, you can do a lot. I don't care.
I don't fart like this. My farts are
Quiet.
Yes.
I'll be mixing to get away the bubbles.
No, they say don't mix too much because I got it thinking.
They're gonna add more bubbles.
No, I got it from Rosalia. She said don't mix it too much because it is not gonna come out clear.
But you
still gotta
You
wait
can leave it
night.
like for 3 days, 1 day.
No, she waited for a night.
For a night?
Yes.
Did it come out good?
Yeah.
Wait.
And it came out mad clear.
I want to try more. I guess I'm not gonna be lazy.
Oh, look at my bowl, guys.
All right, this is all I'm getting. This is all I could be using for now, anyway.
And next, after this, we're gonna make
Like,
the white with shaving cream. So.
Yeah, and we're gonna be doing flour, paint,
So
makeup.
I wanna add
lotion.
this in mine.
Yeah, there's
Here.
I want mine to be clear. What you talking about?
It's still gonna be clear.
Well, no, but I want it to be exact, dirty like that, and then when it's the next day.
Do you even have paint in here?
I think you should do this. What are you singing? Justin Bieber?
No.
Mejor. I don't think
Okay.
I don't think.
Okay, guys, there's not in here, so I'm gonna
Yeah.
just add
That.
foundation.
Yeah, it's makeup.
Yeah. It's still pretty good.
Oh, we're gonna do a challenge. Yep, we're gonna do a challenge with
Wanna make
it.
makeup?
Huh?
Onto the makeup?
I was gonna put 60 seconds on the clock.
Or what?
Who can make the fastest one?
Oh.
That's gonna be hard.
That could be the next video.
Yeah, next video, guys.
But you wanna make challenges and we wanna do makeup?
We're gonna do makeup. Yep.
Look at this, it's very cute.
Look.
Oh, I like that color. Did I add that color?
It's the same thing.
No, it's not. Look at mine.
Because I haven't mixed all the way, Paris.
No, I still think it's cute. Mine is like an orange color. I like your color.
Mine is like foundation because I added like 2 pumps, 3 pumps.
I think I added a lot.
Yeah, you shouldn't have. Look, mine is coming like yours.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It is. Okay, guys. Now, for me, I'm just gonna use a little bit of.
Use it. Pass it for you. Lotion. Shaving cream?
No, you said
Is that be clear? Lotion.
I don't even think I have any more of these. You know why there's no more of lotion?
I'm going to be stirring my slime.
Because I use it to make slime on this. Damn, that was a lot.
Okay, I'm gonna add my juice water.
And now I'm gonna add the activator. Whoa.
Ooh, this
Looks like doodle. Looks like.
Guys, I think this slime's gonna come out horrible.
I doubt it.
Yep, it's gonna come out very horrible. We think we should have made tide.
Do you even know what doubt it means? I means I don't think it. Like I doubt it.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah. I'm using it. I just lied to my mother. Should I give my mama my iPad to use it real quick?
Real quick.
I want to go upstairs. But it's okay, so let's just leave it.
Guys, this to me is starting to look like goats.
Stop. You're making me feel dirty.
Ew, guys, look at this. Disgusting. Okay. So, we will get back to ya when it's done. So, we just got back and we have finished our project of our slime. Mine's is stretchy, sticky. And hers,
Mine
Go
is
to Clever.
stretchy, crunchy,
Oh, I like hers. I never even felt it, but it looks good from where I'm sitting.
pokey for a little, and yeah, it's good. It's fine.
That is her slime. You saw her stretch. Now, guys, look at my stretch. You saw hers. Now, look at mine.
Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here.
Look at mine. See, this slime is red. Wanna fill it?
Sure. Ah,
Yeah, hers is very cool.
what the?
Um,
In your thing, it looked like you had a lot of clear, and mine it looked like I had a little, and mine came big and yours came small. Yours is not that bad. Look, 'cause you have to get used to it. You're not used to it.
it's sticky.
I know it is. You need more activator. You see, people could use that.
And plus, I got so you
Oh,
gotta dip it in
that's-
there. Yeah, hers is very stretchy. I like this one. 1 out of 5. How much, Phil?
Yours 1 out of 5. I'm gonna be honest. I'll give it a 1 out of 5.
I'm at 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. We're grading our slimes now. Like,
Alright.
comment down below what
What
slime
you
is the
think?
best.
I'll give yours a 7.5.
A 7.5. I give yours a 4. No, I was just
And
kidding.
that's what I said. I was like, what? You just said you liked it.
I give yours an 8. I like it.
If y'all don't know what's like a half, it means like I'll give you half.
So like it's like $7.50. That's a half.
Yeah.
Like if you have $7 and you add a half to it, it's just adding 50 cents.
True.
Or 50% more.
I'm not poking the slime. I'm getting all the things.
It's not like you poke it in two. Like
You see? If I
you really can't even hear. Look, the poke.
yeah.
You just hear it. Let's lift it up. Like this lifting up. Okay, guys. So we have finished it up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications.
So in our next video, we're gonna be doing.
Yeah, stay tuned for the next video because we're gonna be making
What?
And then after that, we're gonna be doing makeup. Stay tuned.
I'll
be doing her makeup, and then she's gonna be doing
flower,
mine.
and then flower.
Yeah. So
And
I'll
then
be
we go
doing your
back.
makeup and then you do.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll go.
And then
get
you
my-
do mine.
Yeah, and then I go get my own makeup upstairs.
Yes. I want to use this.
Okay. I hate foundation in my face.
I do. I like it on your face. Okay, so this is
What do I look like to you? A freaking
Playboy.
what? A playboy? Like a dummy? Like
Play
those
mannequin.
Play mannequin.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So stay tuned for other video.
So yeah.
Peace.